At Chapman University, students have multiple options that support their dream of becoming an elementary school teacher.
This program helps me meet my subject matter requirements for my teaching credential by allowing us to follow all the requirements in order, and they keep us really on task. They tell us everything we need to do for the credentialings.
We were placed right in the field in our second semester, and we constantly were reassessing ourselves in our practice.
Chapman handles everything. It's so nice. They send all the emails out to all the districts and all the teachers. I ended up in Garden Grove for my first 2 placements, and I loved every second of it.
For my student teaching, I got to work in a 3rd grade classroom. The school that I worked at is part of the school district I'm at now, and it helped me make those connections for my first job.
When you start a new career, you're always questioning, am I supposed to be here? Is this exactly what I want to do? And I've been in now 3 different classrooms. Every single time I've been over the moon excited to teach. The coursework here, being project-based, is just hands-on learning, and instead of taking tests and writing papers, we're actually creating projects, creating lesson plans, presenting those projects and lesson plans. Faculty here has been like my #1 support. It's just so nice to have professors that care how you feel. They want you to succeed.
Working in diverse classrooms has been incredibly rewarding and has fed my excitement for teaching.
Everyone is going through the same thing, but something different at the same time. Hearing everyone else's experience, including your experience, being able to share that is just so comforting to hear.
Through Chapman, we focused on UDL, which stands for Universal Design for Learning, and it's all about providing multiple means for the kids to get engaged. The support and the education I received here at Chapman has helped fuel my energy and excitement for making sure every single child succeeds.
Chapman has left me with everything and more. I think that Chapman has prepared me so well to move forward with the interview process, and then with that, taking everything I've learned into my classroom.
Your classroom journey starts here. Discover how Chapman can prepare you to lead the next generation at chapman.edu/education.